Three South African newspapers published an article by President Xi today calling for joint efforts to open a new era for bilateral relations. President Xi says China and South Africa established diplomatic relations 2 decades ago and have upgraded their relationship to a comprehensive strategic partnership. He thanked South Africa for advancing the development of a China-Africa Comprehensive Strategic Partnership during its past 6 years as the chair of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation. President Xi called for the two sides to continue to build mutual political trust, cement pragmatic cooperation, expand people-to-people exchanges and lift strategic cooperation to a new level. On the upcoming BRICS leaders meeting, President Xi held the achievements of the last decade and pledged full support to South Africa, hosting this year's summit for a second golden decade of the BRICS mechanism.